Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off Steam Overlay in 2022 and primarily how to disable and enable Steam Overlay in 2022. It's really simple, right? If you're playing any game, if you are, accidentally typing on keyboard, you will open a Steam Overlay. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to Steam, we need to go to settings, and from settings, we need to go to in-game option right here. And here, the first thing it will say is enable the Steam Overlay while in game. If you uncheck it, you will disable it, right? If you check it, you will enable it. So this is pretty much it, right? This is how to completely disable or enable Steam Overlay while in game. It's really, really simple. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, I hope this video helps you and thank you for watching.